This is the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. This is a classic you've probably seen in kitchens everywhere. It's got a 325-watt motor and a 5-quart bowl. In my case, this is glass, but I think there's stainless steel versions there too, and that's big enough for 9 dozen cookies or even 4 loaves of bread in one batch, and sourdough is what I like to use it for. Now, this tilt head design gives you clear access to add the ingredients while mixing. And it comes with everything you need to get started. It has a flat beater, a dough hook, a 6-wire whip, and a pouring shield. And one of my favorite things is the 59-point planetary mixing action, which means the ingredients get incorporated thoroughly. If you want to expand the power hub, it allows you to attach up to 15 optional attachments. I've got the pasta rollers or even food grinders. You'll love baking and cooking, and this mixer just makes the whole job a lot easier and a whole lot more fun too.